Hello everyone, my name is Crypto Nobes, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the biggest news surrounding Cardano and Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis too, so if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more as it really helps the algorithm. Let's see if we can get this video with 400 likes, and also want to know down below which of these two cryptocurrencies do you prefer. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So we're going to jump straight into it and we're going to take a look at their prices later. We're going to start off with Cardano, and this article says Cardano expands influence in Africa, sparking new interest in ADA. The project's foundation is developing a new blockchain framework for identity solutions in Africa. Key takeaways: IOHK is developing a new blockchain to serve African nations. Ethiopia will be the first country to make use of the new protocol. Market participants seem to have welcomed the news as Cardano's ADA token holds on top of stable support. The organisation recently revealed a new identity solution to improve the education system in Ethiopia. And it says down here, a blockchain-based national identity. IOHK, the development team behind Cardano, revealed a partnership with the Ethiopian government to develop a blockchain-based system to track educational progress among students in the nation. The Minister of Education confirmed that his agency is interested in taking advantage of the benefits of blockchain technology to help improve the quality of education. The Identity Solution Protocol will enable the federal agency to monitor school performance and boost education efforts across 3,500 schools with 5 million students and 750,000 teachers. By recording and verifying grades, the Ministry of Education will identify areas of underachievement and allocate resources accordingly. And lastly, Cardano sits on stable support. The market value of Cardano has risen by more than 4.3% since the announcement was made, rising from $1.31 to a high of $1.37. Into the Blocks model shows that ADA sits on stable support. Roughly 176,000 addresses previously purchased 2.8 billion ADA at an average price of $1.21. Such a massive demand wall could keep falling prices at bay in the event of a sell-off. Holders within this range will likely try to prevent their investments from going out of the money. As long as the $1.21 support zone holds, Cardano's price has a good chance of advancing further. Based on the IOMAP, the only price hurdle that could prove challenging for the bulls is $1.43. At this level, approximately 20,000 addresses hold 240 million ADA. So overall, we are really starting to see some very big things come into this crypto space. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single person that joined in for the live stream of the live event. It was my first ever live stream, and I really do appreciate you guys stopping in and saying hello. A lot of people thought that this news was going to send ADA to new all-time highs, but again, it's a cryptocurrency you have to be patient with. If you focus on the fundamentals rather than the price, it will make you successful in this space. In my opinion, ADA is not going to see any crazy price movement until 1. Bitcoin ends up breaking out, and 2. just before August when smart contracts are due to be out. I think the lead up to smart contracts will create a very nice price action for ADA, but until then I think we will just hover around these levels, which means it's a very good buying opportunity to scoop up more. But I want to know down below, at what price did you buy your first ever Cardano? We're now going to take a look at a quick little price analysis to do with Cardano, and as you can see over the past couple of weeks, we have been consolidating sideways. On the 23rd of April, we did take a big drop, but that was because Bitcoin fell from the levels of $55,000 to $47,000. So altcoins will see a similar fall when Bitcoin takes a big drop. But congratulations to anyone who did scoop up during that time, because Cardano fell to the levels of 92 cents, and now in the space of 9 days, we have ended up recovering over 42%, which is absolutely incredible. This is exactly why I always push people to attack the dips, because in such a short period of time, you are already laughing, with still so much more time left in the rest of the year to see incredible growth. The Alonso hard fork, which will release smart contracts, is going to be a very big deal for Cardano, and I think that is when we'll start to push the levels of $2 to $3. My personal end of year target is anywhere between $3 and $5, so if we see anywhere around those levels, I will be incredibly happy. If you are looking for an entry into ADA but are not sure when is a good time to enter, I have a little tip for you. When we see the market anywhere between 5 or 10% falling, then I suggest that is a very good time to buy. If you buy at the top, you will be kicking yourself because we will be expected to have a pullback. But as you can see here, this is a great buy zone that we saw here. Again here, another great buy zone. As you can see, it is when we are in a downward trend, is when you would want to buy. Purely because, as you can see here, it still could be a very good buying opportunity, but as you can see there from that great time there, We had a great buy here, and then since then we have been in a very upward trend to the point where we're at $1.33. So again, it is something you have to bear in mind. It is an emotional control game, but a lot of people do flip the emotions, and that is how they become successful in this space. The amount of growth that we have already seen over this past year has been absolutely incredible. So again, when it comes to the future of cryptocurrency, you are rather in it for the short term or you are in it for the long term. Stay hungry, stay patient, and you will be a winner in this space. We're now going to be taking a look at the latest updates to do with Chainlink, and this article says Chainlink partners with UNICEF Innovation Fund to support blockchain-enabled applications in emerging markets. Some of the objectives of the Chainlink's grant to support the UNICEF Innovation Fund and Crypto Fund are finance early stage, free and open source blockchain enabled software designed to benefit emerging markets by fostering technological leaps that lead to major advancements in overall quality of life. Provide domain expertise and additional resources to support blockchain focused startups working with UNICEF's Crypto Fund. Accelerate blockchain as a force for good by expanding the capabilities of startups building solutions for populations where innovation applications are most needed. Launched in 2016, UNICEF's Innovation Fund enables UNICEF to learn from and shape markets of emerging technology by investing in and supporting companies in spaces such as blockchain, virtual and augmented reality, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Together, the Crypto Fund and Innovation Fund provide both fiat and cryptocurrency investments to early stage startups. By contributing to the UNICEF Crypto Fund, Chainlink will be able to further support early stage companies who are scaling their operations and increase the amount of people who can benefit from social good projects. Some of the initiatives the Crypto Fund supports with its funding include applying AI analytics to public services in Argentina, making sensitive clinical data portable and private in Mexico, using an interactive voice response platform in Cambodia to educate people about COVID-19, and improving food and vaccine distribution in India. And it says down here, we are grateful that Chainlink is contributing to our work, geared towards showing how blockchain and cryptocurrency can drive more transparent and globally accessible investment in open source solutions that solve most of the pressing challenges facing children, stated Thomas Davin, Director, UNICEF Office of Innovation. Through these additional financial resources, the scale of the Innovation Fund can be increased, providing even more support for the many innovative projects trying to raise the quality of life across the world. So overall, this is more big news for Chainlink. We are really starting to see some of the biggest names in the world get into this crypto space, from celebrities to businesses to billion-dollar companies to billion-dollar businesses. This is almost cementing the fact that cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. Any correction that you see beforehand is just to shake you out. If all of these people are starting to get into cryptocurrency now, they are not going to be going anywhere soon. So again, this should show how early we are in this space. But I want to know down below, when did you first hear about Chainlink? To finish off today's video, we're now going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis to do with Chainlink, and as you can see over the past few months, we have been very strong. Chainlink ended up doing a very nice run to the top of $43, and since then we have been in a downward direction. Very similar to Cardano, and again it's all because of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin has that big fall, we will see big falls in the same cryptocurrencies. As you can see, since the bottom of Chainlink to where we are now, it's a 38% gain in just 14 days. So again, it is something to bear in mind about buying the dips. Ethereum is also key to Chainlink's movement. The better that Ethereum will do, the better that Chainlink will do. I personally think if we are combining the two, I think we will see anywhere between $8,000 and $10,000 for Ethereum, and I think we will see anywhere between $100 and $200 for Chainlink at the end of 2021. Those two cryptocurrencies are standout performers, and they are very key for the crypto space. If you are looking for an entry into Chainlink, very similar to the Cardano analysis, I would suggest only buying when we see a 5 to 10% fall or higher. Bitcoin's movement is very key, so if we do see Bitcoin fall a couple thousand, we will see Chainlink fall to about $36, which again could be a very good time to buy. If we see another big fall from Bitcoin like we did the last week, where Bitcoin fell to the levels of $47,000, then again we will see that with Chainlink, as we saw here. That would be a very good time to buy, but because now at the moment Bitcoin is looking very strong, I personally think we are waiting for the next leg up. There is still an incredibly long road ahead in this crypto space, and for anybody that thinks they're too late in this space, please double check, because I can guarantee you are not. Remember, stay patient, stay hungry, and you will be a winner in this space. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Nobes Patreon. If you are looking to make money this alt season, stay reassured and updated, then this could be the place for you. We currently have the Gold membership, which is access to my Discord group, where I'll provide my top coin calls every month, potential coin breakouts, and coins you should look into. We also have the Diamond membership, where if you need any help managing your portfolio or a second opinion, I will help you to the best of my ability. If you are interested and want to make money this alt season, then I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment section down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more, as it really helps my channel grow. Let's see if we can hit that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video.